All right, people, so today in front of me, I have a 3-in-1 charging station from AMEGAT. I believe that's how you pronounce it, AMEGAT. Now, this is their Power Series C3110. And weirdly enough, if you go onto the AMEGAT website, you won't find it. Not even a picture on there saying sold out like all their other electronics. It's all sold out or it's not there, but you can find this on Amazon, and I'll put that link in the description down below. So shout out to AMEGAT for sending this over to me. Not sure what's going on with their electronics department on their website, but either way it goes, they still sell this product on Amazon. If you're in the market for a 15-watt wireless charging station, this product right here might be for you. So you know what? Stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
And I do need to give you a disclaimer. If you've seen one 3-in-1 charger video, you've probably seen them all, but this is just from another company and gives you another option. On the front of this box, it shows you 15-watt max fast wireless charge for iPhone. It also can charge up any other phone that is wirelessly charging. Fast charge Apple Watch. Now the charging portion on here for the watch, you only can charge up an Apple Watch. Strong magnetic force, charge 3 devices at once, hence the 3-in-1, and then adjustable viewing angles, which I'll get into in a little bit when I unbox this product. Magnetic wireless charging station made for Apple Watch. 24-month warranty. Now, if you buy this from Amazon, I'm not sure if you will get that 24-month warranty, if that only applies to the AMEGAT website. But like I said earlier, there is no product like this on the AMEGAT website anymore. So I'm not 100% sure about the 24-month warranty. And on the back, people will give you some more specs, gives you features, specification, and what's in the package. I'm not going to go through that because I'm going to talk about all of that here in this video. Before I do get into the unboxing of this product, I did want to show this to you on Amazon right here. It says Mag Fusion 3-in-1 charging station, MagSafe compatible, 15-watt wireless charging stand, Apple Watch charger, and for iPhones 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, AirPods, and it comes with the 30-watt power delivery charger. Now, when it says AirPods on here, you can charge up any wireless charging earbuds as well, not just AirPods. And here are some pictures right here of what the product actually looks like. 3-in-1 wireless charging station, power in a snap, 15-watt, 2 times faster. Also says made for Apple Watch, 30 minutes will give you 50% charge time. And then here are some adjustable viewing angles. You can do tilt it up to 30 degrees in landscape and vertical mode. And then it also comes in 2 different colors. You have this gray version, which I have right here, and you also have the silver version, and the price they go for is around $90. On the inside of this box, which you will get as you open this up, it comes just like this. As you can see, you have your charger in the back. You have this product box on top. It says charger and cable inside of here. You have your USB Type-C to USB Type-C AMEGAT branded charging cable. You have your, did I say it was 30 watt? Yeah, you have your 30-watt charging brick right here. You also get some literature, which I'm not going to talk about. And here's the star to show people this is your 3-in-1 charging station right here. You also get some more literature underneath here, user manual. I'm not going to talk about that. And I do believe that is everything that's inside this box. This is your 15-watt charging area right here. And I do believe that this portion right here for your AirPods or your earbuds, and this portion right here for your Apple Watch is at 5 watts. As you can see, this part moves up and down, well, moves up at a 30-degree angle. Personally, people, I'm the type that likes to have my cell phone when it's charging so that I can see it and not laying flat down on a surface like this. So I have to look over and see what's going on. I like it like this. And then also you have the option to actually rotate it horizontally so that you can watch something. On the back side, you have your USB Type-C port, and then you also get an indicator light on the front side. And on the bottom side, you do have your rubberized feet to prevent movement while it's sitting on top of your desk. Oh yeah, and then also you do have AMEGAT branding on the charging station right here. On the left side, as you're looking at, you have some more AMEGAT branding, and then it says Omnia Blitz. Not 100% sure what that means, but there's just some more branding. That's pretty much it for the physical characteristics of this product right here. So let me go ahead and put power to this, and we can go ahead and see this thing in action. Got my charging cable up to this. As you can see right there, you do have your indicator light on the front side that shows you that it's charging. Hook my iPhone up to this, automatically starts charging right there. My Apple Watch, plug this in or hook this up, starts charging right there. As you can see, it's green, so that means that the Apple Watch is charging. And then I do have AirPods right here. You hear that? Green light right there, real quick before it gets out of here. You see that green light? So that means it's charging. And the magnet on this thing, people, is pretty strong. Look, I can turn this upside down. The AirPods did fall off, but my watch doesn't fall off. The phone doesn't fall off. The magnets on this product is pretty strong. This 3-in-1 product right here just does everything that it says it's going to do. If you're in the market for a 3-in-1 charger, I definitely recommend this. This is going for $90. Like I said earlier, you do have it in 2 different colors. You have it in this gray, and you also have it in a silver. I have no complaints about this. This is the perfect type of charger that I look for when I'm shopping for a 3-in-1 charger. You have your upright charging surface. You can do it vertical or horizontal. You have a spot for your watch on the back, and you have a spot to charge earbuds or AirPods on the front side. The only thing that I would like to see different, well, you know what? This product right here, as it's designed right here, I think it's a perfect product. It's not perfect for traveling because it's not compact enough, but for a stationary charger, just to keep it on your desk or keep it by your bedside, this is a perfect product for $90. That's all I got for you, people. That is my full rundown of this AMEGAT 3-in-1 magnetic fast wireless charging station. As always, my name is Nicholas. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Club channel, and I'm out. Peace.